ETOP Automotive Wiring Harness, the heart of your vehicle. ETOP's automotive wiring harness is the backbone of your vehicle's electrical system. Engineered to the highest standards, our harnesses ensure seamless integration and optimal performance. With a focus on durability and flexibility, our wiring harnesses are designed to withstand the rigors of the road. We use only the highest quality materials, ensuring resistance to heat, cold, and abrasion. From engine management to infotainment systems, our automotive wiring harness is the vital link between your vehicle's components, providing reliable power and data transmission. ETOP, your trusted partner in automotive innovation. Discover the difference with our automotive wiring harness.